OnePlus has launched a software update for its latest smartphone, the OnePlus 6. And what that update does is it brings portrait mode to the selfie camera on the smartphone. Now we were curious to see how the selfie camera performs after the update, so we went ahead and compared it to the Pixel 2 XL and the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Well, the portrait mode on the selfie camera is fairly easy to enable, and when it's enabled, it adds a bokeh effect to all the photos that you click. Now when we were testing this, we were looking at how good it is at edge detection and how well it fares when there are multiple people in the same frame. At the same time, we were also curious to see how well it clicks photos in different lighting conditions. Now without waiting any further, let's put it to the test. Clicking photos indoors in good lighting, we found that the Google Pixel 2 XL captures details better than the OnePlus 6 and the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. It also has better edge detection, followed by the OnePlus 6 and the Galaxy S9 Plus. The Pixel 2 XL does capture a slightly warmer tint compared to the other phones, while the OnePlus manages to get close to the real thing. We clicked the photo in portrait mode with two people to see how well it manages that. The Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus and the OnePlus 6 detect faces while clicking, while the Pixel 2 XL does not do that. But when it comes to the output, the Pixel 2 XL and the OnePlus 6 look better than the S9 Plus. But compare the OnePlus 6 and the Pixel 2 XL and you will see minor changes between them. The Pixel 2 XL has better edge detection, as you can see that my ear isn't clear in the OnePlus 6 picture. Also take a look at Roydon's beard. While the Pixel 2 XL makes it look natural, the OnePlus 6 makes it look weird. Clicking selfies in low light, the Galaxy S9 Plus falls behind the OnePlus 6 and the Pixel 2 XL by missing out on details. While the OnePlus 6 beats the S9 Plus, the Pixel 2 XL is the ultimate winner. In terms of edge detection, the Pixel 2 XL gets the win, followed by the OnePlus 6 and the S9 Plus. So after putting the new portrait mode to the test, we found that the OnePlus 6 is good, but it isn't geared to beat the Pixel 2 XL as of yet. Now what do you think about the portrait mode on the OnePlus 6, and let us know in the comments below. And as always, for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.